Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We have new Dollar General digital coupons to go over, and we have a ton of awesome deals going on this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So just as a quick update and reminder, I will be announcing the winners of the Amazon gift card giveaway today on Sunday. I'm going to make a little short video after this one is uploaded. I'm going to flip through my inserts, show you guys which coupons that I received, and I will be announcing the 6 winners in that video. So be on the lookout for that. If you guys haven't already entered to win, you can go and click on that video. It's pinned in the comment down below. Click on that, head on over there, enter to win because you still have a little bit of time. So we're going to go ahead and jump on into these new Dollar General digital coupons. As always, I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but we do have a lot of really good coupons this week, a lot of high value coupons. So I'm going to go over the best ones. I will be doing a glitch list and good deals video coming up in the next couple of days, so be on the lookout for that. We're going to go ahead and jump on in. Let's see what we've got to work with for this week. So we received this 2-off-1 Charmin. So this is for the 12 count. These are pretty pricey. They're $13.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $11.25. We also have a 3-off-1 for the Charmin 16 count. Those are $16.95. So after the coupon, you'll pay $13.95. But they are high value coupons. And if I'm remembering correctly, we do have that P&G Spend 15, and you'll get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. So definitely go ahead and clip these coupons because they are high value. Next up, we have Bounty, the 8-count double rolls. These are $17.95. We have a $4 coupon, so that'll bring us down to $13.95. We have 2-off-1 for the Colgate. There's a lot of ones that are included in this coupon, but this is working on the Max Fresh toothpaste. It's priced at $2.75, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just 75 cents, and we still have instant savings on Colgate products this week, so that will be a really great deal. We've got Tums, we've got Airwick. So on Sunday, I did use both of my Garnier Fructis coupons. We had a DG store coupon, and then we had a 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon for the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. So you may want to double check your accounts. I know that one did not expire until the end of this month. So if you have that 2-off-1 coupon, you may want to hold off on clipping one of these Garnier coupons. But I've already used mine. I got my free leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and clip both of these. It's $1 off the Garnier Whole Blends. Those are $3.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. And then 1-off-1 for the Garnier Fructis shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. Those start out at $3. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2. Next up, 3-off-1 for the 3-pound bags of Bella dried dog food. Those are $5.85. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2.85. We have a lot of good pet food deals this week. Next up, Colgate mouthwash. I just got done telling you guys in that clearance haul video, we normally do not get really good deals on mouthwash, but here's a pretty good one. We have Colgate mouthwash. It's priced at $5. Here's a $2 coupon, so that'll bring us down to $3. Moving on down, we have 3-off-1 for the Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. Now, the only thing on this one is that $2 coupon is also attaching to the Colgate Renewal. So when you go in store, make sure you're scanning the products and making sure you have already used the lower value coupon. Maybe pick up the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste first and then use the 3-off-1. Or you can also just be aware of which order you're ringing your items up in. But this is a really good coupon as well, since we do have that instant savings. They're priced at $7, so after the coupon, that'll bring you down to $4. Here's another really good Colgate coupon. So we have some toothbrushes. This is working on the Max White toothbrush, and it is a 1-count. It is priced at $3, so after this coupon, that will leave you paying just $1. And again, with the instant savings, these coupons are going to be great. So moving on. for the Angel Soft, we have a higher value coupon of 1 off 1. So be aware of that. The 4 mega rolls are priced at $4. After this 50-cent coupon, you'll pay $3.50, but if you have that $1 coupon, you'll pay $3. All right, so I'm going to pass on that one. We have L'Oreal Paris. I do not have any of these items at my store that I have seen here lately, so I'll have to hunt for that one. We have Hair Color, Kotex, 2 off 1. So this is working on the security pads. They're priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, that'll be paying $1.25. Also working on the Barely There liners. Those are also $3.25. So after the coupon, you'll pay $1.25. If you want to pick up any of the other You Buy Kotex products, they're $4. So that's half off. You'll pay $2 after the coupon. We've got L'Oreal Skincare, Copper Tone, Cortisone 10. Here's another Kotex coupon, 4 off 2. Pretty much you're getting the same value whether you just want to pick up 1 package or 2. This is also working on the security pads, the Barely There liners that are priced at $3.25. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $6.50. Minus the coupon, you'll pay $2.50 for 2. Then we have 3 off 1 for the Poise products. This is working on the pads and liners that are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you'll pay $2. We have Purina 1 for the dog food. Nexium, Hawaiian Tropic, Eddie's. Oops, I did not mean to clip that coupon. So we do have a higher value Eddie's coupon. It is 1 off 1. So there you go. Perfect example of just wanting to go through and clip all these coupons. So the Eddie's ice creams are priced at $3. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $6. After the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2, which is really good ice cream. I do like it, but we do have a higher value coupon of 1 off 1. So if you pick up one of those, you'll end up paying $2. All right, moving on. We've got Sparkle paper towels. The 6-pack is priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. We've got Friskies. Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $10. So after the coupon, you'll pay $9 for 3, and that is a really good deal if you like Coke and Sprite products, because usually they are a lot more expensive. We do not get as many deals on Coke and Sprite as we do like the Dr. Pepper brand items. All right, we are going to move on down here. We have 2 off 1 for the Preparation H wipes. Those are $5.75, so after the coupon, you'll pay $3.75. Pretty good high value coupon there. Here's one I'm definitely going to be using. We have buy one, get one free on the Purina 1 dry cat food. So you'll pay $6.50 for 2 of the 2.8 pound bags. Next up, Schick, for the men's, the Hydro men's razors. They are priced at $10, so after the coupon, you'll pay $6. We have a Fresh Step or Scoop Away cat litter. So the Fresh Step cat litter is this coupon is attaching to the 12-pound boxes. They are priced at $8.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $7.45. If you want to pick up the Scoop Away cat litter, this is attaching to the 20-pound boxes. They're priced at $9.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $8. All right, moving on down. We have True Living bath tissue, 12 count. These are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.50. Not a bad deal. And I highly recommend, if you guys haven't tried the DG brand True Living yet, go ahead and try it out. Especially when we have coupons like this, you can throw it in with your 5 off 25 and literally pay pennies for it. So really, really good deals. We've got Propel Water, Rexall vitamins. This one is working on the 50 count. I believe it was the fish oil. It's priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2.50. Here's a DG store coupon. If you buy a $50 Apple gift card, you'll get an $8 DG store coupon on the bottom of your receipt. So if you buy Apple products or need a gift card, there you go. That's a really good deal. All right, guys. So next up, we have the 2 off 1 for the Tide and Gain products. The DG's kind of tripping me up here. I'm having to read these coupons very carefully, just like the last Tide coupon that they gave us, and I thought it was glitching, and it actually wasn't. Or no, that was a Gain coupon. I stand corrected. That was a Gain coupon that had Tide included on it. So for this one, if you want to pick up the Tide liquid or the pods, they're priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2.95. This is also working on Gain products. So if you want to pick up the 50-ounce Gain liquid laundry detergent, it's priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.95. And this is also working on the 150-ounce Gain liquid laundry detergent. It's priced at $13.50. So after the coupon, you'll pay $11.50. Now, this is our glitch of the week. We've got the 2-off-1 Tide coupon. It is glitching on the Tide Simply Pods, 13 count. They're priced at $2.95, so after this coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just 95 cents. So great deal, great for Saturday, great filler items. So right beside it though, pay attention, we have a 1-off-1 for the Tide Simply again. So they're priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $1.95. I'm going to pass on clipping this one. I'm just going to use the 2-off-1 glitch, but it all depends on what you want to do. If you want to pick up 2 of the Tide Simply Pods, maybe with your 5-off-25 or something like that, definitely go ahead and clip it, but I'm going to pass on that for now. Moving on down, we have 1-off-1 for the Gain laundry products. There's a lot of things that are included with this coupon. Most of them are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $2.95. This is also working on the Gain laundry detergent powder. It's priced at $4.85, so after the coupon, you will pay $3.85. And not all the time, that coupon doesn't always work on the Gain powdered laundry detergent, so if that's something that you enjoy using in your household, I would definitely go ahead and take advantage of it while it's working with that product. All right, moving on. We've got 2-off-2 for the Secret Outlast or Fresh deodorant and the Old Spice. There's a lot that's included with this coupon. I will have a full list with the good deals and glitch list video. But for today, this is working on the women's deodorant powder fresh dry spray deodorant. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $5.50. After the coupon is applied, you'll pay $3.50 for 2. This is also working on the Secret Powder Fresh Solid Deodorants, the 2.6 ounces. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $7. After the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2. Now for the Old Spice products, this is working on the Fiji scented deodorant. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $7.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $5.50 for 2. There's a lot of other Old Spice deodorants and the body sprays that are priced at $5 each. So if you pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you'll pay $8 for 2. And this is also working on the Old Spice body wash. Pick up 2 of those for $11. After the coupon, you'll pay $9 for 2. So definitely go ahead and clip that coupon. We have 3-off-1 for the Gain Flings. Those are $13.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $10.50. And again, we can come up with a really good Gain deal, I believe, this week. So that should be good. Here is another mouthwash coupon. So we have Crest mouthwash with scope. So it is on the smaller bottles. It is working on the larger bottles as well, but the smaller bottles are priced at $3. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just $2. All right, so next up we have 5-off-2 for the Always Discreet Incontinence products. Now, some people may view this as a glitch. I don't know how I feel about it, but it is working on the 26 count liners. They're priced at $3 each. So if you pick up 2 of those, it's going to put you at $6. After the $5 coupon is applied, that will leave you paying just $1 for 2, making those just 50 cents each. So that is an awesome deal. Now, this coupon is also working on the Always Discreet products that are priced at $5. So it's basically a buy one, get one free coupon. You'll pay $5 for 2. Next up, we have Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you'll pay $3. We have 4-off-2 for the Pampers Easy Ups. Those are on sale 2 for $18, so after the coupon, you'll pay $14 for 2, making those $7 each. We have 1-off-1 for the Crest toothpaste. So this is working on the ones that are priced at $3. After the coupon, you'll pay $2. Alright, so moving on down, we have 3 off 2 for the Tampax or Always products. These are priced at $4 each, so if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $8 after the coupon is applied. That'll leave you paying $5 for 2. Alright, we've got some ZzzQuil. We also have a 3 off 2. This is working on the larger, more expensive Tampax and Always products. So if you pick up, these start out at $7 each. Pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $14. After the coupon, you'll pay $11 for 2. This is also working on the Always pads. So just be aware that those are priced at $4 each. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $8. After the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 2. So just make sure you're scanning when you're in the store so that you don't get coupons confused here. Next up, we have buy one, get one free on the Herdez salsa products. So you'll pay $1.50 for 2. And I have heard that stuff is pretty good, so I'm going to try it out. I still haven't found these corn nuts at my store. I did look at DG yesterday, couldn't find them anywhere, but we'll go ahead and clip the coupon just in case they pop up. We've got Hefty. We have a save $1 when you buy 3 American greeting cards. This is working on the cards that are priced at $1. So you'll pay $2 for 3 greeting cards. We have the 50 cents off Wonder Bread buns. You can either pick up the hamburger buns or the hot dog buns. They're priced at $2.25 after the coupon. That will leave you paying $1.75. And I'm pretty sure we still have an Ibotta rebate for those as well. Next up, we have Nature Valley 1 off 1. So if you want to pick up the 5 count, they're priced at $3.75. After the coupon, that will leave you paying $2.75. Now double check, we may have another coupon that was 50 cents off 2, I believe. So just double check, scan the products before you go up to the cash register and make sure you don't have that lower value coupon clipped. And then we have 50 cents off 1 for the Chex Mix. These, again, are on sale this week, 2 for $2. We have a 50 cents off 1 coupon, and I also had a 1 off 2 coupon, I do believe. But if you're just working with this 50 cent off 1 coupon, I would go ahead and pick up 2 bags because normally they are $2 each. So if you take advantage of that sale, you're basically picking up 1 for free. Use that 50 cent off coupon. You'll pay $1.50 for 2 bags. Alright guys, so that is it for the new Dollar General digital coupons. Alright guys, so like I said, we have a ton of awesome deals going on this week. We have a lot of really high value coupons. Plus we have that spend 15, get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt P&G deal to look forward to. And we also have a 4-day sale. So I'm going to be working on that good deals and glitch list video. Hopefully I'll have that one up by tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that because we have a lot to go over. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you guys have a great day. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.